Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about one thing that every photographer should have in their camera bag, and that's this right here. This is a filter step ring, and what this is going to allow you to do is this is going to allow you to adapt different size filters to your different lenses. So as your photography kit grows and as your expertise in photography grows, you're going to find the need to use different kind of filters in your work. So whether it be a circular polarizer filter for landscapes or automotive work, you'll find that you need this to cut reflections. You also may start doing video and find you need ND filters, or flash photography and you need ND filters for that. The problem is, if you're like me and you have a collection of lenses, your lenses are going to have different filter sizes. So for example, this one's a 72 and this filter right here is an 82 millimeter. Well, if you want to use those filters on those different lenses, you might think you need to buy a different filter for each lens. That's where this bad boy comes into play. So this one, for example, is a 77 millimeter filter to a 72 millimeter thread. And what that allows me to do is my circular polarizers or my ND filters, I can buy a filter for my biggest lens. So right now that's a 77 millimeter lens. And if I need to adapt that down to a smaller lens like this one, for example, I can just screw this on and use that larger filter. So what you should do is you should look at your lens lineup, look at what you potentially are gonna own in lenses, and then buy a filter for that biggest lens. If it's an 82, if it's a 77, if it's a 72, whatever it is. And then from there, get these rings that allow you to adapt that larger filter down to those smaller lenses. That will save you money in the long run. These are like $4 or $5 at B&H, whereas filters, run a couple $100s for a quality unit. So just a quick tip. If you've never used these, or you don't have them, or you've never looked into this, it's definitely something that I recommend. So super quick video today. Just wanted to kind of highlight these. I know a lot of people are following my channel for automotive tips and techniques, and one of the biggest things that I recommend is a CPL filter. So this kind of goes hand in hand with that. So you can use your CPL on all of your lens lineup. So until next time, take care.